made it up here. Had some lunch. Now I need to sharpen this baby. Because I'm pretty sure it's pretty dull. You should always be sharpening. Probably 3 strokes per blade. I'm going to plan to stop in another 15-20 minutes of cutting to do the exact same thing. Get yourself one of these things to hold your saw blade up. It's super helpful. Occasionally rotate your file if you're using a guide so that you use different parts of the file and have more of an equal sharpening across all the blades. Make sure to push firmly down, but hold it 90 degrees to the angle this way, and then I think this angle right here. Okay, I'm gonna be loud here in a second with this chainsaw. What I do is do one side first because the blade alternates sides on the chain. So I do one side so that I can just do a repeat motion. And then once I make it back to the first chain that I started on, which I marked with a permanent marker, then I will rotate either my direction of pulling this file, or I'll rotate the whole saw with the blade around. We'll see. Almost there. 2 more. Okay, so now I made it to that one. Now I'm just gonna rotate that side. When you pull it toward the table, please, it's right here. I'm gonna go this way. I think my chain, the pitch is probably okay at this point. I do have a separate blade that I might put on today depending on how well the engine keeps running. Alright, let's do some cutting.